To solve this, don't forget that this dot is the same thing as times. That means we have 3 plus 3 times 3. And don't forget our PEMDAS. Don't forget the PEMDAS. That is, multiplication will be done before addition. So this will give 3 plus 3 times 3 is 9. So this will give 3 plus 9 and this will be 12. But if you say 3 plus 3 first, that will be 6. 6 times 3 will be 18 and then your answer will be wrong. To confirm that our answer is correct, you can try another method in case you are not sure of this method. 3 plus 3 times 3 can also be written as this is 1 and this is 1. We can decide to factorize it such that we have 3 brackets. When we take 3 from this, we'll be left with 1. Then plus, when we take 3 out here, we'll be left with 3. And that will be 3 bracket 4. And that is 3 times 4. And that will give 12. So if you are able to use two methods and you get the same answer, that means your answer is correct.